Hello, Reynolds family. Today is Monday, February 1st, 2021. Welcome to episode 7 of our Tech Training Roundup series. I'm Kevin,
And I'm Kim.
and we make up technology training services here at Reynolds Community College. We hope you are navigating the spring semester well and are staying healthy this time of year. A few notes and reminders to make. All websites and videos referenced here will be linked in the video description below for your convenience. Please visit our tech training tutorial page for video tutorials and guides that address common questions on many of the software applications used at Reynolds. If this support material does not provide answers, please reach out to us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu rather than email either of us directly. This allows us to tag team and track common issues to serve you more efficiently.
Our quick access guide is still available to assist instructors with their online courses. This guide can be found on the Technology Training Services homepage and contains essential information for both the Canvas LMS and Zoom. This guide provides resources, which includes 24-hour phone and chat support, as well as Reynolds faculty online mentors, divided by school, and includes contact information. Please become familiar with the Student Technology Support page located on the reynolds.edu website. There are multiple support resources available to students on applications they will be using at Reynolds.
Our news alert concerned a recent Canvas update for Student View. The Student View button, which allows instructors to preview their course from a student's perspective, is now accessible from the top right corner of supported Canvas pages, including the homepage, announcements, assignments, discussions, modules, pages, syllabus, and classic quizzes. This needed update now allows instructors to view individual pages in Student View more quickly. The Student View button is now smaller in size and can be identified with a glasses icon, as seen here. If an instructor clicks on the Student View button on a page hidden from students, the page will redirect to the home page. And now for the Tech Training Tip of the Week.
Our tip this week is a proactive measure to assist in curbing unnecessary reply all messages when using DList. To begin, open a new message and type your name in the To field. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to activate the blind copy field by clicking on the Options tab of your message and selecting the BCC icon. Typing any DList in this field eliminates the possibility of reply all. Please note, to add blind copy in your browser-based email message, click the BCC icon in the top right corner of your message. Keep in mind, using blind copy is not advised for emails when reply all is actually desired. And that's your tech training tip of the week. If you have any tip suggestions, or if you have any questions or troubleshooting issues, please feel free to email us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu. This is Kim.
And Kevin signing out.
Be safe.
Be well.
And we'll see you in the next Tech Training Roundup video.